Are you like us and your little one is day trained, but you still need cloth diapers for nap time and nighttime? So your cloth diaper laundry is a really small load. Here are 2 to 3 days worth of cloth diapers. So it's time for me to do laundry, but it's so small. We use the EcoPosh OBV one size cloth diaper for nap time and nighttime with a bamboo insert and a Rumperoos one size cover. So let me put all of this into the laundry and you will see how small this load is. How do you wash these small loads? Because there's just not enough items in the washer to get the proper agitation. Here are a few of what I love to add to the cloth diapers. So you are still gonna do your pre-wash with just the cloth diapers. This pre-wash is what gets all of the waste off of the diapers. So start your laundry load and then you are good to go until the main wash. And this is when we are gonna bulk the load. A few of ideas of what items to add to this load would be your hand towels found in your kitchen, washcloths, anything that is about the size of your little one's t-shirts is a good reference, or a flat cloth diaper. So a hand towel or anything that you can find around your home that's small enough. Or like I said, you can use your little one's clothes. So you can add their new undies, you can add their pants, socks, shirts, what have you. You just don't want to use anything too bulky. Like if you add towels, big bath towels to this, it will make the diapers not agitate properly and they will not be getting cleaned. And that's it, you're ready for your main wash. If you have any questions about bulking your cloth diaper laundry load, please let us know in the comments below.